I've got an idea, boss. One word. Mosh.
You would not believe what I've been through. One minute I'm minding my own business while the owners go skiing. Next minute it's like, hello?
Nobody touches the marshmallow. She's given me an idea. She's our lucky charm.
Godt.
Jo!
Egentlig ville jeg bare have bedt om det, der var mit. Altså pinden. Men nu er jeg så træt af jer. Så vil jeg bede min bror Johnny om at gøre det, han er rigtig god til.
Skynd dig. Ja, du ved, hvor meget det betyder for ham, når vi står her.
John, jeg kan godt forstå, at du er vred over, at du ikke kan se alle VM-kampe.
We might be able to help you if, let's say, you were to become our arch enemy and challenge us in an epic battle of good versus evil for the remainder of our freeze. Oh, my brain!
Frosty Freezy Freeze!
That was completely wicked!
Kom så, Benny. Nu går vi.
Ja, klart nok. Det er så skide flot nummer.
Vent på mig! Okay.